So, this blew up. Hello to all the new people. Hi so much. I'm very grateful that blew up. I'm grateful you're here. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I did that makeup look. And it's very exciting. So that is the most views I have ever gotten on my channel. So today we're going to do the Hello Kitty makeup tutorial with the bow on the eyeshadow and stuff, just like I did with the stickers. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and start by doing all my face makeup. And then we're going to go ahead and get into how to do the eyeshadow. Alright, let's get to it. So this is definitely more of a complicated makeup look to do. Also, by the way, does anyone else like this brand P. Louise? Like, look at this, look at this. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? What? I just discovered it. Okay, anyway, back to the story. This look I have found is hard to do due to the fact that drawing things with eyeliner is not easy, but it's definitely very fun. So here's what you'll be needing for this look. Some sparkly eyeshadows and some colorful eyeshadows. I have the Kimchi palette. Holy sharts. Holy sharts, it's so even bright. There you go. And some Hello Kitty stickers, where I'm just going to use the bow sticker. I have these ones. I think I picked these up from the Goodwill bins, actually. So yeah, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is layer down some pastel eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply, gosh, there's so many great colors in this palette. You guys know I've never used a natural makeup palette before, right? I've only ever used pastels or bright colors. I think I'm gonna go for my favorite Cotton Candy Moon Dust. Just stunning, beautiful pink. I don't even tap. I just go for it like it's 1987. Oh yeah. And just smudgy, smudgy, smudgy. Of course, I like to apply blue and pink because they're cute colors. That's how I usually like to do my makeup, is a pink and blue or teal eye. Very 80s, very kawaii, very cute. So I'll do my other eye and then I'll show you the next step. So yeah, just go ahead and build on pastel shadows until you get the desired base you'd like before applying your eyeliner. So we're gonna take our stickers. I'm gonna take a bow sticker and I'm gonna take that bow sticker and I'm gonna apply it right next to my eye, a Hello Kitty bow sticker, just like that, just like we did in the video that you guys loved. They're so cute. Okay. Anyway, I want to show you guys, yeah, these are Hello Kitty Zoo Time stickers from the year 2012. Okay, yeah, just something like that. And then, yeah, you're going to do your eyeliner and draw on those bows. And follow along. I've got my mirror right here. Let's do it together. Take it slow, delicate. Don't do it if there's an earthquake, you know. Okay, we're just going to first go ahead and do my eyeliner. I've actually done that first than putting the stickers here. Hold on. Yeah, do your eyeliner first. That's what I meant. Wait, don't do your eyeliner first. Told you guys, this one's hard. So with your half-assed done eyeliner, you're going to put the stickers back on your face. And then you're gonna put eyeshadow around it. I forgot how I even did the video. Okay, yeah, and then you're gonna go. See? See? Ah, there you go. So then you're gonna take your stickers off and then you're gonna apply your eyeliner. See, because then it leaves a little outline. You can draw the bow. So now what you're going to do, and follow very carefully, you're going to just take like two soft triangles, like make kind of a butterfly. It's hard to not mess up. Little circle. Pretty cute, something like that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do my other side. Then what you're gonna do is fill that in with some pastel eyeshadow. This palette also, it's just a constant, like, it's like you're painting a painting, right? It's a constant build of colors and layers and figuring out what looks best. Just dust that on, kind of mute it, blend, blend, blend. Highlight, highlight, highlighter palette with some glitter. Just gonna put that right here. I'm gonna put some blush on my nose too to get that Hello Kitty look. Okay, cool. Now it's time for lipstick. Yeah, for that makeup look, I went and used this thingy, Nesquik brand, in the shade Creamy Pink of the Pure Water Lip Gloss. I got it from Miniso. It's really cute. It smells amazing though, by the way. It smells like Fruit Loop, pink Starbucks pink drink, kawaii, delicious, num 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 num. And that is how I did this bow eyeshadow, this makeup look, Hello Kitty themed makeup look. I'm glad you liked that reel. That was really fun. I was low-key crying when I saw how many views I got. So yeah, go check out another one of my videos. You can check out this video, this mirror I'm using over here, this Hello Kitty mirror, or YouTube also recommends another video to you right there. Thanks for watching. You know, if you do this makeup look, let me know. I want to see your guys' art. I'm sure it's so pretty. Okay, bye.